Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing my everyday makeup for when I wear Lolita fashion. I start with circle lenses and I'm actually really squeamish when it comes to touching my eyes, so to put my lenses in, I pull my bottom lid down to create a little pocket, then I drop the lens in there and I tilt my head back to get it on without feeling like I'm violating my eyeballs. It took a while to get used to wearing them, but now it's so easy. Then I'm just moisturising and I'm wearing a wig today. I can't be bothered styling my natural hair. I always make sure I wear SPF 50 as well to protect my skin. Then I use this e.l.f. primer. For my base makeup, I use a damp sponge with some setting spray. Then I'm just applying this concealer under my eyes. And then I'm just applying foundation. Then I use this setting powder. I use the KVD Shade and Light contour palette for my contour. For my freckles, I use this brow pencil. I already have freckles, but I always want more. At the end, I just dab them to blend them in more. And I use this powder as like a matte highlighter. Then for my brows, I do like a bleach brow effect with concealer. It obviously just makes more sense to bleach your brows for this, but I have eyebrow piercings and I'm too scared of pushing them towards rejecting if I start using bleach around them, so I just use concealer for them. I literally just use concealer as if it was like a brow product and I just draw my eyebrows with it. I'm low-key tempted to just shave my eyebrows, to be honest. I don't know, but I do really like how the blonde brows look with my light hair colours. I'm sure you can also do this with a blonde brow mascara, but I've been struggling to find one that's vegan and cruelty-free. Then for my eye makeup, I've been really obsessed with using this lilac colour from this Cult Candy Cosmetics palette as the base for my eye makeup. And for my aegyo I use a brown eyeshadow and I just follow the natural line. Then I use that same brown shade for the outer corner of my eye. And using this shimmery highlighter from the Heavenly Urchins palette, I fill in my aegyo. And for my mascara, I'm gonna explain this in real time because it's a little difficult to explain. So this is basically like my alternative to using false lashes because I don't really like false lashes. I mean, they're fine, but I was just not very good at putting them on. I feel like they were always lifting, and then also like one would always sit differently than the other, and I couldn't be bothered anymore. So I started doing like spiky lashes with mascara instead. And so basically you want to like imagine your lashes are all like individually like this, and that you're trying to like stick them together with mascara to like be like this. Does that make sense? Let me try to show you. Okay. So I kind of just go like left and right. Does that make sense? So I usually try to create 4 spikes, but I think this will depend on your eyelashes. As you can see, it does take quite a while to do this. And then I'm just gonna do the same at the bottom as well. It's basically just a motion of like left and right. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. For my eyeliner, I just follow the line that I created earlier with eyeshadow in the outer corner. And to match my eyeshadow, I use this lavender highlighter. And for my lips, I start by overlining them a little. Then I fill them in with this lip cream. Then I use this darker shade to create like a subtle gradient. Then I finish my lips with some gloss. Then I use this powder blush and I go pretty heavy with blush for a super dolly look. And I'm just finishing up with that same lavender highlighter. I use that same liquid liner just for some little moles. I think they're really cute. And I just go over my freckles a little bit with the brow pencil again to make them pop. And the final step of my makeup is setting spray, and then we're done. And that is it. I feel like my makeup is quite simple, to be honest. And now I'm going to get changed into a sweet Lolita coordinate. Today I'm going to wear Angelic Pretty's Dreamy Dollhouse JSK in pink, which arrived a few days ago. She's so cute. So the makeup I just showed you is my everyday makeup for when I wear sweet Lolita, but unlike J fashion styles such as Gyaru or Jirai-kei, Lolita doesn't actually have a specific makeup style that's necessary to be recognised as a Lolita. It's really more about the clothes. I like wearing more dolly cutesy makeup for my coords, but I also know Lolitas that wear no makeup, very natural, subtle makeup, and like the opposite, super bold makeup, and all of it is fine with Lolita. So now I'm ready, and here's a closer look at my finished makeup look. I feel like aside from getting used to doing the spiky lashes and also being comfortable wearing circle lenses, my makeup is very simple, so hopefully this was easy to follow. This is literally the makeup I wear all the time when I wear Lolita. Whether it's a large or small event, this is just my go-to makeup. And I hope you guys like it. Now I'll show you my Lolita cord for today. And that is it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what kind of makeup you like to wear with Lolita, and if you found this video helpful, interesting, terrible, or whatever, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!